Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Crossy Road with your friends. Crossy Road offers exciting multiplayer experiences, allowing you to hop across busy roads and rivers alongside your buddies. We will cover both local and online methods, so you can choose the best way to connect and share the fun. Get ready to team up or compete for the highest score. For local multiplayer, ensure everyone is connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Then, simply open the Crossy Road app and tap the multiplayer button on the main menu. You can have up to 4 players hopping together on different devices, or even on a single device with connected controllers. It is a fantastic way to share the excitement in the same room. If your friends are not nearby, online multiplayer lets you connect from anywhere. Navigate to the multiplayer section and choose to invite friends. You can send invitations via their username or by sharing a specific room code. Remember, a strong and stable internet connection is crucial for uninterrupted gameplay and a seamless experience with your online hopping companions. Whether you are playing locally or online, Crossy Road multiplayer offers both cooperative and competitive fun. In cooperative mode, strategize together to navigate treacherous traffic and rivers. For a challenge, compete to see who can achieve the highest score or survive the longest. No matter your style, playing with friends adds an extra layer of excitement to every hop.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.